Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Tom in Pennsylvania on the Galaxy DX2547. Tom, this thing's fully loaded out, ready to go. It's got our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET final upgrade, also the wideband transmit and receive upgrades, some power supply upgrades. We've got Lester's Customs LC35 channel kit back here in the back. Get your low and high channels and 10 kilohertz jump right there. I really like Lester's kit. It's actually a DIY kit. You know, if you want to do it yourself, it basically is plug and play, and then requires an alignment procedure. But check out Lester Customs if you want to get one of them channel kits. They work really well, very stable. All right, let's get right to it. We're going to start with RF power all the way down. 25 watt slug. Just set it 1 watt there, all the way down. Roll it up. 6.5. Show you average power swing. Hello. 17.5. 50 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 38 peak. We'll go over to sideband. Of course, it'll be a little less on sideband. Hello, 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 hello. 35 watts on sideband. All right, it's ready to come to you, my friend. I appreciate it. Appreciate your patience, and I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been truckerized. Bump, bump.